Well, class, let's continue on page 112 and we continue on the last page 113. In this part says love, hate, don't like plus ing. Read the sentences below A, B, C, D. Then underline the verbs that express likes and dislikes and the ing of form of the verbs. Okay, likes and dislikes. Like is when you like a picture on Facebook, no? Like. It's like that. Okay? Now let's see. For example, uh, if I say I love going to the movies, the verb is love. Okay? The verb is love. There is no problem. And this verb express like. Okay? Like. It's positive. And it says ing form. When they say ing form, is the verb. Okay, is the verb. Now let's see. In the second verb, I don't like eating popcorn and other snack. In this case, like is the verb, but this verb is negative. Don't like. So it expresses dislike. So, no me gusta. Okay, dislike. And the verb is eat plus ing, eating. Okay, pay attention. I hate watching horror movies or science fiction movies. Okay, the verb is hate. Hate is a negative. Hate express dislike. For example, detestar. Some people say odiar. Okay, it depends. Okay, it's negative. And watching, okay, is the ing form. I like watching romantic movies. Now, here is a positive. Now, like is positive and watching is the ing form. So I'm going to change the color so we can see the difference between them. Okay, in yellow we can see the verb that express likes and dislikes, and also, for example, I'm going to put in light blue, no, the verb that express dislike, and in yellow the verb that express likes. In yellow, positive. In light blue, negative. And in purple, the verb in ing form. Okay? For example, Mr. Lucero loves teaching English. The students don't like uh, speaking in class. Well, it depends on some students, okay? I don't know, let's see. John hate watching romantic movies. Or for example, my father likes, no, remember, likes Western movies. Some examples, okay? Likes and dislikes, positive and negative. Number 7, underline the correct options to complete the rules. Let's see. Letter A. To express likes and dislikes, we use like, love, and hate in the ing form or simple present. Okay. B. After like, love, and hate, we use the ing form or of the verbs or the simple present. So, ideas. Let's see. To express likes and dislikes, we use like, loves, and hate in the ing form or the simple present form. After like, loves, and hate, we use ing form or the verb in the simple present. One is correct. Yeah, after like, love, and hate, after like, love, and hate, we use ing form, no? Ing form of the verb. Yeah, you're right. Okay. To express likes and dislikes, no? We use like, loves, and hate. But you say liking, you say loving, hating, or you say like or likes, love or loves, or hate or hates. This form, no? As the video before. Perfect. Now let's see. Look. Complete the sentences from the chart with loves, like, hate, or don't like, doesn't like. For example, here we have two happy faces. Love, no? Love. I love watching movies on TV. There is only one face. Okay, like. You like choosing the film. One fat face. He, she, or it doesn't like, no? Doesn't like reading movie reviews. Okay? And two sad faces. We, your, they hate. Talking about adventure movies. Okay? Thank you. Let's continue. Now look, remember, love, like, that in this case was doesn't like, but could be don't like, okay? It depends. And hate. Two happy faces. Love, okay? I love going to the movies with my family. I love going to the movies with my family. One happy face, like, okay. My brother likes studying the movie review. My brother likes studying the movie reviews. Two sad faces. My dad hate, no, my dad hate going to the movies late. One sad face. You don't like eating ice cream at the movies. You don't like you don't like eating ice cream at the movies. One happy face. We like sitting in the back rows. We like sitting in the back rows. ¿Qué cosas son back rows? En las sillas de atrás, no las butacas de atrás, en la parte de atrás o la fila de atrás. Two sad faces. My brother hates watching the movie in the front row. My friends, no, I'm sorry, it's my friends. My friends hate, no hates, I'm sorry, I didn't see the letter S. My friends hate watching the movies in the front row. What is front row? En la primera fila, adelante. Okay? Okay. Now, set number 10. Rewrite the sentences in activity number 1 so they are true for you. Okay, so they are true for you. What about the movies? No, for example, here says I love going to the movies with my family. No. For example, I can say I love going to the movie with my friends. My brother studied the movie review. I can say my brother doesn't study the movie reviews. No. My dad hate going to the movies. My dad doesn't like going to the movies. Transform those ideas, no? You hate No, you don't like eating ice cream at the movies. You can say here, I love eating ice cream at the movies. No, you can transform. Here says, we like sitting down. No, we like sitting in the back rows. We hate, I can say, we hate sitting in the back rows. My friend hate watching movies not in front row. My friend doesn't like watching movies in the front row. No, the idea is to transform and create sentences so that they are true for you. Okay? Now, here says listening. We're going to finish listening activity. Shall start. Number one, you are going to listen to a radio interview with Maestro. Before you listen, look at the pictures and try to predict the answer to the questions. Now, here are the questions. What does Mia do? Does Mia go to school? Is she rich and famous? Okay, look. Is a TV set. This is Mia's straw. Now, do you think what does Mia do? Could be an actress, an actor, a singer. Huh? Does Mia go to school? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Or is she rich and famous? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Now, we are going to listen and try to answer those questions and then those ones, okay? Now, let's see. Pay attention.
Unit 7. Track 71. Activity 2.
Many young people dream of going to Hollywood and becoming rich and famous in a movie. On today's show, we have the child actress Mia Straw. How old are you, Mia?
I'm 12 years old.
And where do you live?
I live in California.
Do you work in Hollywood?
Yes, I do. I do advertisements for TV. I also work as an extra in movies.
Tell us a little about your daily routine. Do you go to school?
Yes, of course. Californian law is very strict. All young actors go to school and they have a private tutor during filming.
Do you work on a movie all day?
No, I don't. I'm in the studio for 8 hours, but that includes 3 hours with my tutor. Very young children can only work a few minutes a day.
Really? And what about money? Are you rich and famous?
No, I'm not.
Does your dad have all your money?
No, he hasn't. The movie company puts my money directly into a special bank account.
Can you use this money?
No, I can't use this money until I'm 18 years old.
What about your dreams?
Well, I make a lot of advertisements and I'm a movie extra, but I would really like to have a bigger part in a movie.
Is there a possibility?
I have a second audition today, so...
Thank you very much, Mia, and good luck.
Okay, this was our listening about Mia Straw, no? Now, according to the audio, what does Mia do? She's a Exactly, she's a child actress. Okay, actress. Actor is for boys, actress is for girls. Okay, now let's see. Does Mia go to school? Yes or no? Of course, yes, she does. Letter C. Is she rich and famous? No, she doesn't. This is the first part. Now let's continue with the second block. It's the same audio, so you can play the audio again, there's no problem. Where does Maria live? I'm going to give you three choices. Lima, eh, Mexico City, or California? Of course, California. Very good. Let's continue. Where does the movie company put her money? So she's an actress, not she's a child actress. So a company pays for her job. The question is, where does the movie company put her money? In the bank. Yes, of course. In a special bank account. Okay, in a special bank account. When can Mia spend her money? Now, in this moment? No. When she's 18. Okay, when she's 18, when she has the ID. Does Mia have any dreams for the future? In case she does, what are her dreams about? She wants to get bigger part in a movie. Not she wants to work in a movie, in a famous movie. Okay, and we're going to finish with cultural fact. A lot of child stars becoming Hollywood superstars. Jessica Alba, Drew Barrymore, and Leonardo DiCaprio are some famous examples. Do you know any in your country? Do you know any child star in Peru? If that is yes, get ready. I'm going to ask this question in our classes. Thank you very much, boys and girls. See you soon. Bye bye.